Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can create a distribution list and export contacts in HMailPlus webmail. To create a distribution list, go to Inbox. Open the email with the contacts you want to save. Click the More Actions icon and choose Save as Distribution List. In the window that opens, type a name for your list, add more contacts if needed, then click Create List. You'll find your distribution list under the address book in your Contacts folder. Now, let's look at exporting contacts. In Contacts, select the contacts you want to export. Click the More Actions icon in the toolbar and choose Export. Pick a format either as vCard or CSV, then click Export to save your file. The contacts, once exported, can be found in your files under Downloads. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.